Hello, good morning, Namaskaram, Sat Shri Akal and Salam Alaikum. This is Srinivas Kasturi. Today I would like to introduce the new home Anantaralayam, which is constructed in eco-friendly way and sustainability and self-sufficiency manner. First of all, I would like to request and request you and give disclaimer. I am no perfect, and I request everyone to be a bit patient to watch this video till end, so that you will understand how we have done this construction. So first I would like to start with thanking note. I would like to thank my parents, especially my father, Sri Narayan Kasturi, and I would like to thank my friends, family, who helped me, and then universe, and then divine, who has helped me to achieve my dream goal, to construct eco-friendly home. First of all, I would like to thank my close buddy and friend, Mr. Duvur Moeshwar Sharma, who is not a close friend, even he is my mentor and who is always with me, encouraging to achieve my goals. And next I would like to thank another friend, Srinivas Kotta, who always pushes us our limit by challenging and then encouraging to achieve this. His encouragement may be in a different manner, but he always pushes our limits. And I would like to thank my brother-in-law, Mr. Macharla Prabhu, who helped in designing this home or giving these structural suggestions. And I would like to thank the organization, as actually I was searching to construct home in Hyderabad. These eco-friendly homes are very familiar and famous in other states where they have know-how, especially in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. I found it difficult in Hyderabad to achieve my goal. During my search, I found the organization known as NIRD, National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj. I would like to thank Mr. Mani, who is program manager, who patiently understood my requirements and helped me guide. And then he assigned engineer Mr. Someshwar Acharya, so who is the one who helped in consulting and constructing this eco-friendly home. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my organization, Tata Consultancy Services, which is my inspiration, where our organization always pushes us to be sustainable and eco-friendly way. Like, for example, they suggest and encourage people to have carpooling and the little contributions what we can make. Yeah. So we have, I have this idea from last 4 or 5 years. Finally achieved it through help of all my family members who were there patiently till the completion of this project, especially thanks to my wife and kids. So let me introduce how we have constructed this house. As I mentioned, I am no perfect, I need to refer some of the... So we constructed this house with the usage of CSCB, popularly known as compressed soil earth blocks, or some people call it as cement stabilized earth blocks, which are made up of red sand, soil, robo sand or sand, and then lime with 10% of cement mixture, which is made at this site, and this is compressed manually. So the benefits of these blocks are like less water is consumed for making these blocks, and no carbon released during making of these blocks, as this is not going into blend. So these are not burned. So these blocks are 3 times stronger than our regular burnt clay bricks. So these blocks are very much suitable for construction, for load bearing structures up to G+2 construction. So even these blocks don't require any cement plastering. We can use them as an exposed way. So other factor what we used is we have done non-toxic paint or Vedic paint, what we call, which are made up of with cow dung, cow urine, and lime-based product. So so which will not emit any chemicals. So roofing is made up of RCC with filler slab material, which is known as filler slab technology, which helps in decrease of temperature. It works as thermoinsulation with less than, will feel 5 degrees less temperature in summers and increase in the winter. Also we use flooring with which is known as Atharudi tiles, made up of bioproducts of dust, fly ash, lime and natural pigments, and then cement. So these tiles are handmade, due to which metals are natural and not required any energy for making. And also this floor absorbs the external radiation from the inner side of the building. So in addition to this, we have used, we set up with long and well high-rise windows, which helps in natural ventilation and lighting, which helps saving of the power as well in the home. And this entire building is covered with different type of artistic paints and objects, which helps in bringing positive energies. On top of it, what we have done is the open area we have not covered with any cement. We covered with soil along with grass and plants, so that rainwater whatever is absorbed into the home. And except the roof area is prepared to the ground, and the roof water for the whole roof coming from rainwater harvesting pit, which is recharging to the borewell. And in addition to this, we have planted some vegetables and fruits in future, which can be like self-sufficient for our home. So these are about home, and for power we have installed solar with 3 kilowatt, which will be more sufficient for our home, which is 3-bedroom home. So this is small contribution from my end to giving back to nature or universe. So this is what we have done at this home. Once again, these are all about the home. I request your comments. As I mentioned, I am no perfect. You can comment for the improvements which we can make here, or always all the comments are welcome. Once again, I would like to thank the universe, divine, God, and all my friends and family. Please enjoy the video.